I don't know about you, but I still waiting for my first foot. So who's gonna be my first foot or first footing this year? Is your first visitor to the house, the first one crossing your threshold after midnight on the first day of the year. He should be a dark-haired male to ensure good luck to the house, or this would remind people of the Vikings bringing death and destruction on their path. This first foot should also bring a few symbolic presents: a lump of coal and some salt, a blackburn, shortbreads, and of course, a wee dram of whiskey. So I wish you all a happy new year. Slán Jivar.